Welcome to the show. I'm Kathy Ireland. Electronic health records and practice management solutions have vastly improved patient care and workflow management, but many healthcare facilities are still struggling to integrate these new software solutions. Compulink Healthcare Solutions has developed a next-generation, all-in-one EHR and practice management solution, and CEO and founder Link Wilson is here to tell us more. Welcome, Link.
Thank you, Kathy. It's great to be here.
Well, Link, what are some of the challenges that medical facilities face when trying to integrate all of their operations with patient care?
Medical facilities are dealing with decrease in reimbursement for the providers. So they're looking at technology to fill that gap. And a patient's typical encounter starts off with a self-appointment on the web. Then they're into a self-check-in. Then the practice needs this automated workflow engine to make sure their staff is most efficient. They would need to integrate with some automated equipment. Then they go into the medical records where the provider sees them, and they're taking all their findings, their medical history, doing their diagnosis, and they might even prescribe medications or have some products to dispense. Once the patient leaves, the practice has still got work to do. They've got to do the insurance billing, they've got to handle the inventory management, and they'll probably want to send out a survey to see how well they did with the patient. In order to do that, it typically takes 3 to 5 different software vendors to fill that need.
Link, how does your suite of solutions use the power of real-time data to improve both clinical and financial results?
We use smart technology, and we look at the patient's medical history and the findings from that current encounter, and we marry that in with the specialty specific standards of care to ensure that the patient gets the appropriate level of service for whatever their symptoms may be. In addition, all services and products that may have been involved in that encounter are automatically posted so the business doesn't lose any revenue whatsoever. All services and products provided during that encounter are automatically charged out, eliminating any possible loss of revenue for that practice, which they love. And when the patient is out of the office, we have a secure patient portal where they can go to view their medical record, make a payment, book an appointment, request a refill for their prescription, and they can do this anywhere on any device. It's very convenient.
Kentucky Eye Care is a group of comprehensive ophthalmologists. There's 7 medical doctors, all ophthalmic surgeons. We also have optometry and an optical dispensary. We can offer everything from preventative eye health exams to glaucoma services, oculoplastic services, and complex cataract and laser procedures.
Kentucky Eye Care partnered with Compulink 9 years ago, so we have been growing together for 10 years. When we reach out to Compulink, we get a familiar voice most of the time, someone who knows our practice, knows our account, and most importantly, understands our needs, and that saves us time.
We can monitor and control everything from the appointment making process to every single pair of glasses that is in our optical dispensary, to any insurance issues that could arise, down to the minute of tracking. We can monitor where every patient is at any moment.
Compulink Healthcare Solutions continues to stay ahead of the game. They are 2 steps ahead of government programs like quality measures. Compulink is rewriting their program and offering training before other people are understanding the program.
Link, what benefits does this provide to the healthcare facility?
The biggest cost for every healthcare facility is their staff. So we offer a smart workflow engine that maximizes the efficiency of the entire staff throughout every step of the patient's encounter. It allows them to see more patients with the same amount of staff in the same amount of time. So it's a huge win for their bottom line. In addition, we have our patient engagement engine so that when every patient shows up, they get a unique text to their phone which they can click on and then get specific information that's targeted directly to them about their gender, age, diagnosis, so they can start reading, getting more education on that. The business could also send them information on their marketing and other services that they offer. On the way out, the same patient will get a survey so they can evaluate their encounter with that practice, and the practice will learn from that patient's encounter. For those offices who don't want to deal with the headaches of insurance billing, we offer revenue cycle management services so they can just focus strictly on patient care.
No electronic health record is perfect, but I think Compulink hits it just right, combining several functions in one program We can have a clear and concise record, which is great for the practitioners within our own practice, but then we have an excellent document that we can send either electronically or by fax to other practices. So this conveyance of medical information is good for our patients.
We've utilized the scheduling portion of it, as well as help with our billing, as well as documentation in the electronic health records on the medical side, as well as in our ambulatory surgery center. And so for us, it's just been a very comprehensive package in order to help best take care of our patients and sort of streamline the process in clinic. It has allowed us to adapt the software to our practice rather than our practice having to adapt to the software.
Link, what's on the horizon for Compulink Healthcare Solutions?
Well, our enterprise system will definitely increase the bottom line for every practice. In addition, it will improve outcomes for every patient. We are also raising the job satisfaction for the staff, so we're very excited about that. We have a very unique all-in-one solution which nobody else offers, so we're very excited about that potential growth. We also realize that technology and software are constantly evolving. They're never done. So we're going to be continually innovating and pushing forward and making our products smarter and smarter like we've done for the last 30 years.
Great. Well, congratulations on being a leader in this industry, on all your success. It sounds like Compulink Healthcare Solutions is integral to the overall wellness of the healthcare industry. Thank you for helping to ensure that best patient care possible is thriving. Thank you and best wishes to you.
Thank you, Kathy, for allowing me to share the benefits of our Advantage Smart Practice solution.
Thank you. And thank you for watching. I'm Kathy Ireland.